Right guys, let me just start by explaining this. This cam robot part 1. It's part of a project I'm doing to create a robotic arm that can track basically anything in a spherical manner. This is actually for the creation of these YouTube videos, and that will give me something else to play with. I've also implemented two PIR sensors with a thermal array so that I can do thermal imaging or thermal tracking with the robotic arm, which means I can lock it onto myself or anyone else or anything else with a thermal signature, and then the robotic arm will track that. At the moment I've used, I wanted to print the spur gear set as you guys also saw in a previous video, but for some reason my 3D printer wasn't able to print the worm gear itself. Probably because of the angle, so I've tried everything, different temperatures, support material, different print speeds, whatnot. Nothing was able to work, so yeah, there was a 15 to 1 reduction ratio. So yeah, I had to convert it to the spur gear train with a 3.6 to 1 reduction ratio. Not quite as much as I would like, but it still will work fine. The servo I'm using is the AR36063HB. It's quite a nice servo, something I can also source locally. I'll just finish printing the spacers and the output shafts, and then yeah, I'll upload some photos and let you guys know how everything fits together.